Good day. My name is Utlile Squaila, HubSpot implementation specialist here at Struto. Today, we're going to be talking about personalization tokens. We all receive those emails that we feel like they were written by a robot, stiff, generic, and clearly sent to tens and thousands of people at the same time. But we've also received emails that felt like a one-to-one conversation, that being one side of the spectrum. Internally, sometimes you want to assign teams tasks or give them information on tasks that is specific to that particular problem that they're supposed to solve. The difference between those two experiences usually comes down to one thing: personalization tokens. Today, I want to talk about how and why these aren't just fancy placeholders, but the secret to building actual trust at scale, internally and to your customers at large. When we use tokens correctly, we start blasting our database and start talking to it. When adding personalization tokens, in this particular use case, we're going to be creating personalization tokens on task create task automation that we did for when, for example, a deal is closed won. So for this particular task, we want our sales rep to get a task notification within HubSpot that they should be sending onboarding information to the client once the deal is closed and won. So we already started adding personalization tokens here within the title of the task, and then now we come here. So to add personalization tokens, basically you're just going to copy the areas in which you want to add them, and then just pick the particular data point that you want to add, within the task, which will be the personalization tokens. So with this particular one, additionally, there's like complex stuff in terms of adding information of the associated contacts. So for that, you'd also just follow this particular workflow and add the information. So yeah, that is basically how you add personalization tokens.